Hello guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Personalities. Today we will be discussing about Sonia Gandhi, um, a daughter-in-law of Indira Gandhi. About her we have discussed in the previous month. And before I begin, I would like to request you to subscribe Vysh IAS channel if you haven't yet, and also press the bell notification so that you never miss an update. And I hope you guys are consistent in your studies and participating in all the plump series, and also watching our videos. And so let us begin. So Sonia Mino, yeah, she was born on 9 December 1946 to Stefano and Paolo Mino. These were, they were her parents in Louisiana, Veneto in Italy. And she was raised in a traditional Roman Catholic Christian family. She attained her primary education in from local Catholic schools, and then her father, he had fought against the Soviet military alongside Hitler's, his army on the Eastern Front in World War II. So he was representing that Nazi German, Nazi, what do you call, party. He was a loyal supporter of Benito Mussolini and Italy's National Fascist Party, right? Then in 1964, she went to study in English at the Bell Educational Trust Language School in city of Cambridge. Then the following year, she met Rajiv Gandhi at the university restaurant where she used to work as the part-time waitress, and she was also enrolled for an, Rajiv Gandhi was enrolled for there for an engineering degree in the Trinity College at the University of Cambridge. Then they got married in the year 1968 in a Hindu ceremony. Following this, she moved into the house of her mother-in-law, that is then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, and they had two children. Rahul Gandhi was born in 1970 and Priyanka Gandhi born in 1972. Rajiv Gandhi worked as an airline pilot, while Sonia Gandhi, she took care of her family. She spent considerable amount of her time with her mother-in-law, that is Indira Gandhi. Then Rajiv Gandhi had to enter politics in 1982 after the death of his younger brother, that is Sanjay Gandhi, in a plane crash. And we have discussed about this also earlier in the earlier episodes of Personalities. So on 23rd June 1980 he died, and then Sonia Gandhi continued to focus on her family, and she was not involved in the politics much. Then after how her political career has started, now let us see. So Rajiv Gandhi, he became premier of in National Congress, in Congress party from 1984 to 1990. So Sonia Gandhi, she started becoming involved in the public life, right? And after the assassination of her mother-in-law to be with her husband, so she also campaigned for some of the elections, right? Then, and then her husband Rajiv Gandhi also became Prime Minister of India. So, as a Prime Minister's wife, she acted as a official hostess and also accompanied him on a number of state visits. So, in 1984, she actively campaigned against her husband's sister-in-law, that is Menaka Gandhi, and she was contesting. She was contesting against Rajiv Gandhi in the Amethi seat, which is in Uttar Pradesh. And now, as you know, Amethi seat has been lost by Congress party. This used to be there for in the in the family for a longer time. Not in just in family for Congress. Now it has been snatched by Smriti Irani of BJP. So at the end of Rajiv Gandhi's 5 years in office, and there was a scandal, right? That is Bofors, and his Rajiv Gandhi got embroiled in that controversy, and there was one Italian businessman whose name was Ottavio Quartorico. So he believed to he was said to be involved in this, and he's also said to be the friend of Sonia Gandhi, and he had access to the Prime Minister's office official residence, and since he was found involved in this, it was accused that Rajiv Gandhi is also involved in it, and like this, even Sonia Gandhi was involved in Bofors scandal. Then, in her entry into active politics and as Congress president from 1991 to 1998. So we know that Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated. We have discussed about this, in one of the lectures, sessions in personalities. So Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated in 1991, and then Sonia Gandhi refused to succeed him as a Congress president and as prime minister. But then Congress party, they settled on the choice of PVR, right? PV Narasimha Rao, who became prime minister, and he won elections also that year. Then over the next few years, she joined Congress Party as a primary member in the Calcutta plenary session in 1997, and then she became the party leader in 1998. And within 62 days of her joining as a primary member, she was offered party president post, and then she accepted this as well. And she contested Lok Sabha elections from Bellary, that is Karnataka, and Amethi, that is Uttar Pradesh. So we know that there is no, there was one question in the, I think, prelims this year also, how many seats one can contest. So you have to comment in that what question was that, right? In the prelims, please go through that question. Then she won both the seats, and she chose to represent Amethi. And then in Ballari also, she had defeated veteran BJP leader Sushma Swaraj. Then as a leader of opposition from 1999 to 2003. So she was elected as a leader of opposition of the 13th Lok Sabha in 1999, and BJP led NDA government under the prime ministership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. She took the office of leader of opposition, and then in 2000 she defeated Jitendra Prasad by a huge margin of 97% in Congress president election. This was for the president of the Congress party, and she had been repeatedly, she has been getting selected for this position without even without any election being held. Then 2004 to 14, her electoral success and NAC chairmanship, that is National Congress Party. So in the 2004 general elections, so Sonia Gandhi, she launched a nationwide campaign, and she crisscrossed the whole country, and she gave the slogan also, right? Slogan also, and then um, she and her what to say, her campaigning was very successful, and then they, because of that, she was re-elected by the margin of around 2 lakhs vote margin over the nearest rival in Raebareli. And after few days of the election, she recommended Manmohan Singh as the prime minister. She refused to step down. It is said that she refused the position. I'm sorry, not refused to step down. She refused to take the position as prime minister. It is said that she, stepped down because the opposition says that there were some, according to the rules, she cannot be a prime minister because of her foreign origins. But according to the Congress party, it is said that she chose to step down from the position as prime minister, and then she recommended Manmohan Singh as a prime minister of the India, and he accepted that. And we know that from 2004 to 2014, Manmohan Singh was the prime minister of India. So as a chairmanship of National Advisory Committee and UPA was the alliance coalition government of Congress and its alliance parties. Then she played a major role in making the National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Today we know it as Manrega, MG Narega, and also Right to Information Act, RTI Act. Okay, and then she addressed the United Nations on 2nd October 2007, which was Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary, which is observed as the International Day of Non-Violence after UN resolution which was passed on 15 July 2007. And under her leadership, Congress led UPA, that is her coalition government. It won, and again in 2000, in 2004 her party won, and again in 2009 UPA got a massive victory. And again Manmohan Singh was made the prime minister, and she was re-elected for a third term as MP, that is member of parliament from Raebareli, again in UP. Then in 2004, we know that Congress, especially Congress and its alliance parties like DMK and all, they got involved in so many scandals, so many corruption cases, and their image became all time low. And after that, Narendra Modi was also emerging as a national leader because of his popularity. So in 2014, general election, so Sonia Gandhi, she, she managed to win her win from her constituency, that is Raebareli. But Indian National Congress and the Congress-led UPA, alliance, this, this performed really bad in that, in that election, general election. And as I told you, the reason, it got so much involved into, its alliances. Even some of the cabinet ministers' name were dragged, names were got involved in the corruption cases. So their image was really hit by this, and they suffered, massive defeat from the NDA. So, and it managed to win only 44 seats. And in 2019 elections as well, Congress actually won 59 seats only. And then Sonia Gandhi, she took a restructuring, of the Congress state units, and then she appointed Kumari Shalja, Eknath Gaikwad as the presidents of the party's Haryana and Mumbai units, respectively. Then she also made some other changes in the party, party's organization, and then she, then some of the states, Congress did manage to win also after that. Then Sonia Gandhi was seen as the most powerful politician of India, right, from the 2000, especially from the 2004 to 2014 year. And variously, she was listed among the most powerful people and women listings by these magazines. In 2013, she was ranked 21st. She was ranked among the, the 21 most powerful, and ninth in the most powerful women by the Forbes magazine. So, with this, we have come and end to this episode. Hope you liked it. If you did, please like and share these videos as much as you can. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next one.